Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm up in Oregon. Gosh, it's a beautiful day today. 80 degrees, nice breeze. And look at what we got here. 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme International. When is the last time you've seen one of these? Maybe in 88, maybe in the early 90s. I can find a couple pictures, but I can't find one online. I don't know anyone who's got one, but my buddy up here's got one. And guess what? It's a one-owner car. We bought it new, Medford, Oregon. We got some good historical documentation. It's got 50,000 original miles, and it is in beautiful condition. I'm actually thinking about buying this one myself, but if it's out there, you might have a chance. I know Pops would love this thing. So let's take a closer look. Got a digital dash. It's got the original wheels and hubcaps in the trunk. I took some still pictures of them. They're not too fancy, so the owner decided to put those wheels on and give it a good look. It's got some sort of metallic paint job. It's black, but it's got some silver in there, some flakes. Might be hard to see with the video, but it's actually pretty cool. And here we go. I mean, it's in beautiful, beautiful condition. And like I said, it's got a digital dash, 50,000 miles. It's clean, one owner. No rips, no tears. This guy just took really good care of his stuff. It's really, really in beautiful shape. Yeah, I don't know where you're gonna find one. It's rare, for sure. We'll just see who else likes them. I know I do. I graduated high school in '92, so this is kind of right up my alley. I don't know a lot about the International. It might be just you know, some sort of package. I don't think it was an engine upgrade, more of an appearance package. But yeah, got all the dealership goodies from when he bought it new, the invoice, all that sort of good stuff. I see the flakes a little bit in the sun, but yeah, this thing is sweet. And I'm not sure if we're ever going to see another one. And it's a one owner, and it's got 50,000 miles, and it's been garage kept since new. And it's different. Show up in Cars and Coffee in this baby. And they're going to be coming over to your side and seeing what you got going on. Because it's an Oldsmobile. And they're not in business anymore. It's a Cutlass Supreme. And it's an International. So, if you want to be different, you should give me a call. My name is Michael Platt, and I own Platt Motors in Anderson, California. My phone number is 707-599-9448. I'm at plattmotors@gmail.com. Plattmotors.com is my website. And this one's going to be up soon. 88 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. I love it. I know you will too. I got the original wheels and hubcaps. So give me a call. I appreciate you looking at my stuff. This thing is super clean. No rust. No issues. Well preserved since new. Give me a call anytime. I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks for looking at my videos. and have a beautiful day. See ya.